sifting through papers, crunching numbers, and stressing out. Sounds like tax time.
Some people, if they just have a W-2, sometimes it's the easiest. They can go online. Some services like TurboTax and H&R Block are offering free filings if you do that. Then there's some accounting software or some tax software out there by Intuit and H&R Block that allow people to do it themselves. So they kind of have to know a little bit of the law, but it kind of guides them through there.
But if you plan to use an accountant, make sure you've got the necessities ready to go.
They need all their personal information, like they need birth dates of all their kids, they need their birth dates, they need to make sure they have their social security numbers, their kids' social security numbers, make sure that they've got all their sources of income, any kind of paperwork that they've got.
Want to see more money on your return? Find all the deductions you can.
If you paid for any child care, there's some credits for child care. Make sure that if you bought a house or if you own a house, that you keep all the interest and property tax. They send a 1098 at the end of the year. Some mileage for charity is deductible, and keep all your receipts for charity. Those things are deductible also.
And what about all that talk about the possible changes in withholding Social Security tax? Well, it won't affect your return, but it might affect your paycheck in the future.
If they don't change it, then what's going to happen is after starting in March, you're going to start basically seeing about 2% less in your check. And that's going to go back to Social Security and Medicaid.
Whether a tax professional is helping you face-to-face or you're getting it done online, the sooner you file your taxes, the better.
As far as getting your money back, it's probably the sooner the better. They'll process those returns in a couple of weeks, and you can actually have the money in your account in a couple of weeks.
Emily Griffin, Pronews 7.